Hey everyone, so in this video what I'll do is I'll show you how you can set up something similar to a custom GPT with the new Claude 3.7 Sonnet. So the first thing that you should do is you should go to this website called Pmfm.ai, and once you're here, just click on login. And if you don't have an account, you can sign up. So once you're on this dashboard page, click on this create app button over here, and now you will see this app creation interface, and over here you should go to this AI model dropdown and select Claude 3.7 Sonnet by Anthropic, and then you need to provide some information for your customized Claude AI, Claude 3.7 Sonnet AI app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this Claude 3. Or Claude coding as the name of the app, and then I'm going to say something like coding assistant or Claude 3.7 Sonnet coder. This is the display name of the app, so this is what will appear when anyone accesses your app. And in the description, I'm just going to say that there's a coding AI assistant for coding powered by 3.7 Sonnet. And in the prompt, I have something written out here. So I'm just a simple instruction saying that you're an AI-powered coding assistant. Your job is to help users. Yeah, nothing too complicated. But over here, you can expand this and you can provide a lot of instructions to customize the behavior of your 3.7 Sonnet app. Now, there's one more thing that I need, which is an image for the for the app. Okay, so for this one, I'll just use it like a simple Claude logo to indicate that this is a Claude 3.7 Sonnet. This is powered by Anthropic, basically. And now I need to go into design, and over here you can change the design to a light theme, or to something else that looks like this. And you can change the background color, the font color, so you can customize it here. So I'm gonna leave the default settings because I like how it looks right now. And then I'm gonna go. I'm gonna scroll down and find this conversation starters. So over here, I'm gonna say I will remove the second conversation starter, and for the first one, I'll just say something like, "Help me with Python." So just to give like a starting helper button to the user. And then you can also enable a landing page. So a landing page is a page that appears before the app page. So for this, you can provide like a tagline, and you can change the color of the page. So I'm not going to enable this, but you can do that if it's something that you want. The next up is monetization. So I'm not going to monetize this. This is for users who will not be paying for it. And then you can provide up to 50 files in the knowledge base if you like. So I don't think this is required for this app, but you can do that if you want to customize it with your own training data. Last thing is actions. This is also not required. And yeah, so it looks good. And I'm going to click on create app so that the app is created. And okay, so I'm going to close this, and I'm going to scroll down, and it should be here. So what you should do is click on this test button. So this will take you to the testing URL, and then you can, so just let's see how it works. So this is just a simple prompt, Python help. Okay, maybe I will say something like, hello world in Python, just to see how it works. I know I can ask something more complicated, but it is pretty fast, and yeah, it is something that, like, even despite the limited prompting, it is working quite well. So yeah, so this is my Claude 3.7 Sonnet coding app. So I'm now going to go back to the dashboard, and I'm going to hit this launch button. And when I do this, I will be able to share the app with anyone. So now if I click on this, this will be my app URL that I can share with anyone, and you too should be able to access it. So that's how you can create your own Claude 3.7 Sonnet AI app. There's some other things that you could do too. For example, you can embed the app on your website through an iframe or as a widget, or you can publish it, providing your DNS records through your custom domain, so that it's your website URL where the app is instead of the .pmfm1. you can also use an email. So you can set up an email for the app so that anyone can reach out to the app by just sending an email. The third option is that WhatsApp one that works through Twilio. So for this one, you will have to have a Twilio account to set it up. But for all these three options, there is more helpful information to set these things up. So feel free to check that out as well. The last thing is analytics. So analytics will show the usage data for the app. And that's all. So if you plan on monetizing it, you can grant someone credits for using your app. So you can send someone, for example, 50 chat credits to use your Claude 3.7 Sonnet app, or you can just keep it free and have like unlimited chat credits, as I have done. So that's how you can set something similar to Custom GPT with Claude 3.7 Sonnet. Let me know if you have any questions with the website.